Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading you a poem called Joy versus Ego from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Joy versus ego. There are people who seek merely wealth, lust, and attractiveness in a partner. There are people who seek primarily love, appreciation, or loyalty in their significant other. One brings ego, and the other brings joy. What's sad is many choose the ego over the joy. Thank you so much, Daddy G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you and just think of the simple things of life. Be grateful for the simple things in life. I am grateful for the razor I get to use. I am grateful for the toothpaste I get to use. I am very grateful for sandals. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening.